Notre Dame. Now let's take a trip to Paris, a city of love, art, and one of the most expensive cathedrals in the world. Notre Dame, standing tall since 1163, is more than just a church. It's a living piece of history. But did you know that after the devastating 2019 fire, it became even more valuable? Over $1 billion was donated from around the world to rebuild it. Notre Dame is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, with its towering spires, haunting gargoyles, and massive stained glass windows. Stepping inside feels like traveling back in time, with sunlight filtering through the famous rose window, casting colorful reflections on the stone walls. But let's talk about that fire. When flames engulfed the cathedral, people stood in tears, fearing they had lost this 800-year-old wonder forever. The iconic wooden spire collapsed, and for a moment, it seemed like Notre Dame would never rise again. But then, something incredible happened. The world came together. Donations flooded in, with billionaires, artists, and even everyday people contributing to its resurrection. And here's the twist. Because of the restoration, Notre Dame will be more advanced than ever, using cutting-edge technology to protect it for future generations. A tragedy turned into a triumph. When it officially reopens, will you be there to witness its second birth?